In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image gallery into Canva website builder. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you need to access Canva. Head over to your web browser and type in canva.com. Once on the homepage, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to log in using your credentials. Just click on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you're already a user, logging in will take you to the Canva homepage. Next, once you're on your home dashboard, look for the projects section. This is where all your designs and projects are stored. Click on project to access this area. Now the creative process begins. In the projects section, look for the elements tab. This tab is a treasure trove of design tools, and it's what we need to start building an image gallery. After clicking on elements, you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type grids. Grids in Canva are layouts that allow you to organize and position your images uniformly, which is perfect for a gallery. Once you search for grids, you'll see various grid options pop up. Select the one that best suits your layout needs by simply clicking on it. With the grid added to your project, you can now begin populating it with images. To do this, navigate to your uploads or choose images from Canva's library. Drag your selected images into the grid slots. Canva's drag and drop functionality makes this step a breeze. You can adjust the image placement to ensure everything looks just right. After filling the grids with images, review your gallery. Canva's intuitive interface allows you to make adjustments easily, whether you're swapping images, repositioning them, or tweaking the size. Take this opportunity to ensure your gallery looks clean, professional, and visually pleasing. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added an image gallery to your Canva website builder project. This feature is perfect for photographers, businesses, or even personal projects where visual storytelling is key. With Canva's easy-to-use tools, your creative possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Dive into your projects with confidence, and I look forward to seeing the creative ways you use your image galleries.